Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So today we are going to learn how to make smoked paprika chimichurri and also pico de gallo. If you are ready guys, let's get started. So to get started, you are going to need a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And then right over here on the side, I have about 4 cloves of garlic, and you want to dice them to, the finest that you can. So after dicing your garlic, you are going to need 1.5 batches of cilantro, and you want to just chop them up nicely. They don't have to be fine like mine, but whatever fits your cutting is really good. So after cutting our cilantro, we are going to go ahead and cut our parsley, and you are going to need about the same amount, which is 1.5 batches of parsley, and chop them exactly like I did with the cilantro. Now our final but not last ingredient is our red onion. So you will need about 1/3 of a red onion, and you want to dice it up into small diced cubes, however fine you want them to be. They don't have to be like mine, but they need to be diced up into fine cubes. So our 4th ingredient is a lime. If you have a lemon, that's good too, but the only thing that I had in house was a lime. So you want to use the zest from the lime, and this zest should be about almost a whole teaspoon of zest, but not quite. And then after that, whenever you're done, go ahead and squeeze out all that juice from the lime, and just squeeze as much as you can, because my lime did not have a lot of juices, so that's what I had. So after adding our lime, we're going to continue mixing everything. You want to mix, making sure that everything is okay. I ended up adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil, but this part, guys, is optional. You don't need an extra olive oil, but I thought I needed some. And then you want to go ahead and add a 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt for taste, and continue mixing. Make sure you grab a taste to make sure that everything is well seasoned to your liking. And of course, guys, wrap it up with a saran wrap and store it whenever you're ready. So our next recipe is going to be the Pico De Gallo. And of course, you are going to need about 1/3 of a red onion, and you want to dice it up like I'm doing over here. So our next ingredient is going to be 1/3 of a batch of cilantro, and you want to go ahead and just chop it up like I am right now. After chopping up your cilantro, now you want to chop up about 1/2 of a big red firm tomato. And guys, this is supposed to be like a fresh, not too ripe, but just perfect. And you want to go ahead and just dice it up into small medium-sized squares, and like mine right over here. So our fourth ingredient is an jalapeno. You need half of a jalapeno, and you want to dice it up as well. If you don't like it hot, you can take out the seeds like I did. But if you like the heat, you can go ahead and leave the seeds inside. But I took mine out. And then now right over here, we are going to go ahead and squeeze in 1 lime, you know, and just go ahead and squeeze in all that juice in there. And then give it a mix as usual. And you want to go ahead and add in 1.5 teaspoons of salt and go ahead and mix it up and give it a taste to see if your salt is well balanced. And guys, this was so good. As you can see, I did it twice. And go ahead and saran wrap it. And after saran wrapping it, save it for whenever you're ready. Guys, this is the end. So guys, this is how I made my toppings for my tacos, and of course I have a video for how I made my carnitas. And guys, thank you for joining this channel. Please subscribe, comment, and let me know how you felt about this video. For all those who are new, my name is Abby, and thank you. Bye.